made it to Cabo. Cabo San Lucas, just got off the tender. So this is like literally the port area, and so I'll show you. So you walk through here. This is where you get all your excursions and stuff like that, shuttles, all of the above. It looks crowded. So I'm doing a excursion. It's the glass bottom boat. Glass bottom boat excursion. Got it for $20 per person. So not bad. We get to go around and see all the sculpture, all the rocks and stuff like that. So we'll see. Hopefully it's a good excursion.
No, I said that's a good deal.
Well, los paso, okay, you recollect the money, el paseo. Los paso, okay. Yo te digo.
Mexico?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we did do the catamaran last time.
You gonna find your catamaran. You gonna fucking do
Get wet. Oh, crap. Oh, God, please.
The proper term there is wee.
lot of fish.
What kind of fish?
Oh my gosh. That is a lot of fish. Ooh, I cannot be in the water with them.
Are you gonna take us the back?
Yeah. Oh wow. Pacific window? Is that what
Real, yeah, Pacific.
what?
Had to be caught in action. That ain't that much time. Seen this one. That's her.
Yeah.
Let's get a picture together.
I got us together, but you weren't looking. Hold on. I'm gonna get us together.
Who needs it?
No.
What's the clothes?
Oh my God. What is that?
Yeah, this.
Huh. off of the glass bottom boat tour. That was pretty awesome. I showed you the footage. Really great views. Saw the seals and everything really up close. That was so fun, and it was only $20. See, I didn't get an excursion through the cruise line. When you're good out here, they have all kind of excursions. So we went and we paid $20 per person for that tour, and I think it was worth it for the 20 bucks. Come on, can't beat it. And my baby was free, so why not? Now, just walking the streets, seeing what's out here in the port, and see what else we're gonna get into. I want to find a margarita though. I gotta get me a drink. It's hot out here.
I gotta get some more pouches. I don't count. Pouches. I said 10 ain't gonna make it. That's like one a day. Limited supply.
So I am leaving Cabo San Lucas, and it was really fun actually. I really enjoyed my time out here, my first time in Cabo, so it was actually really cool, really fun. We did eat at Senior Frogs, but it was nothing to film. I was like, whatever. Got a margarita, walked around, and that's pretty much it. Time to get back on the ship now. But it was really pretty out here. This is the marina. Yep, so I will see y'all back on the ship. Hey guys, so I'm going to a show. Now it's on the 3rd floor, I think.
I'm gonna go up for a bit. Whatever you need. Okay, thank you so much. Oh wow. Getting it all on video.
Yes, so we're going to a show. We'll see what it is all about. I'm excited about it. And then we have dinner at Tuscan Grill, I think. Well, Tuscan restaurant at like 8:30. So right now it is 8. We'll watch a little bit of that show and then go to dinner. Baby, go, 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 baby, go, go, go. I just came from eating at the Tuscan Grill here on Celebrity Solstice, and it's their specialty restaurant, so it is an upcharge, and it was pretty good. It was good. The atmosphere was really nice. The lighting was cute. It was very dim, so I like that, and it wasn't crowded, so that's always a plus. So the service was really good. Food came out on time, and yeah, the food was good. Now, would I probably pay for it again? No, but it was an experience, so that I can say I did. So the food was good though. Service was great. I'm gonna try one more specialty restaurant, which is the Silk La Petite. I don't know, something like that. But when I try it, you'll see it. But anyways, right now it is almost 10:30 and 10:30 p.m. and I'm just gonna turn in for the night because I'm tired. But I'm having a great time though here on Celebrity. It's very relaxing, very cool, very chill. You know, this is like a de-stressor type of cruise, but I'm not gonna lie, it's been kind of, they've been turning up late at night. We'll see how that holds up. We'll see how that holds up. But anyways, yes guys, so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe and comment and give it a thumbs up for your girl Toy here on the Celebrity Solstice for you, okay? Getting this good footage. Yeah, so I guess I will see you all in my next video. And don't forget, the world is calling you. Make sure you answer it. Bye.